All right, here we go, everyone. This happens every year, and it's usually, well, actually twice a year, sometimes in the spring, sometimes in the fall, sometimes both, that we see severe weather on one side and snow on the other side. It usually means a transition of some sort of season going away, transferring from one season to the next. And that's what's going to happen on Thursday. So here we go. Let's go through first what looks like is going to happen on Thursday. So you notice there's rain already out there, storms starting to form in parts of the northern fringes of Nebraska, especially towards the panhandle. So heavy rain possible first for parts of north central and northwest Nebraska, from like Valentine, north of North Platte, and then into the panhandle, Shatter and Scotts Bluff. But you notice the already starting to see snow trying to eke its way into the southwestern corner of the panhandle. That really starts to make its way through right there. And then this line right here is going to be the severe weather right there. So this is Thursday, 8 p.m., strong to severe storms with a cold front barreling through the eastern fringes of Nebraska. That will quickly move to the east. Cold and snow on the western edge of this storm. That is going to continue through 11 p.m. Thursday, and then still lingering into Friday morning, and then it should taper off as we head into early Friday morning and into Friday afternoon. So that's kind of the long and short of it all. That's what's going to happen overall. So how much snow are we looking at? Well, I'm looking at 4 models, and this is what the first one looks like. We've got 1 to 2 inches. This makes sense. I could understand this one with the rain mixing in with snow and the warm ground. Probably some of it's going to melt off before it actually gets going, and then even while it's snowing, kind of a long duration thing. So 1 to 2 inches, that sounds about right. How about model number 2? This one, about the same, about 1 to 2 inches, maybe a little bit more in some areas, like Gordon at 3.4, but that would be one of the higher potentials. Model number 3, little more oomph to this one, 6 or 7 to 8 inches in north central and northwest Nebraska, but 1 to 2 inches for the rest of that area. And this one has it moving even further east into central Nebraska, 1/2 inch in Broken Bow and Ord. So we'll see if this one's right. And then this one, this is a shorter term model. This one, we're getting close enough where these middle and short term range models starting to pick up on the storm. Almost. This is a middle range model, and this one's saying about a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, which makes sense. I could see that happening, especially with this type of storm. So that's where we're at right now. How much rainfall are we talking? Well, it looks like anywhere from very little, like in this area right here. This could just be less than 1/4 inch, but look at all of this on the edge, where those that warm front and then the cold front. North central, northwest, northeast, and then eastern Nebraska has the best chance of seeing anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So quite a bit of rain potential, which a lot of us need. I don't know if it's the best timing in the world, but it's certainly moisture that we do need. That's it for this forecast. You can always follow me on all of my social media channels. That's Rusty WX for just about all of them. If you're watching this on YouTube, which you probably are because that's where I'm recording it, it'd be great if you would follow me on there, subscribe, do all that good stuff. That would be fantastic. Really helps me to get to more people. So thanks. We'll see you next time.